In a dramatic turn of events, Judgezile Sambudla Zuma has issued an unconditional apology to Floyd Shivambu, the Secretary General of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, following mounting pressure from the party leadership. The apology comes after former President Jacob Zuma, who is also her father, reportedly instructed her to apologize or face expulsion from the party. Zuma Sambudla's initial comments, which led to dispute, had sparked significant controversy within the party ranks, threatening internal unity. However, in a written statement, she expressed remorse for her remarks, acknowledging their divisive nature. The statement reads as follows: Public apology from Commander Duduzile Zuma Sambudla, date 11 February 2025. As a committed and disciplined member of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, I hereby extend this unconditional public apology to President Zuma and Umkhonto weSizwe Party leadership for the profanity used in my recent post on X. While I hold strong and personal views, including serious concerns about the internal party matters, my perceptions of how certain issues may be handled within the organization, especially by the party secretary general, I fully recognize that such concerns should have been and shall be addressed through the proper internal channels, as dictated by the core values and principles of the glorious movement of the people. I acknowledge that expressing these grievances publicly was unfortunate and may have undermined the unity, discipline, and respect that defines the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. My profanity was not and should not be a reflection of the revolutionary discipline, respect, and solidarity that our organization, under the esteemed leadership of President Jacob Zuma, upholds. To President Jacob Zuma of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, the entire leadership, members, supporters of the MK Party, and the people of South Africa, I wish to assure you that I never intended to harm the integrity of the party or the values it upholds, hence my deepest apology for any offense caused in this regard. Furthermore, I offer formal apologies to all structures I serve in whose role and responsibility I carry with the utmost humility and commitment. I hope my apology is received in the spirit of accountability, revolutionary solidarity, and a genuine commitment to upholding the values of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. I am fully prepared and committed to cooperate with any internal processes deemed necessary by the party as part of my continued dedication to the ideals of discipline, respect, and unity. In revolutionary solidarity, Commander Duduzile Zuma, Umkhonto weSizwe Party member. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more.